welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more outdoor adventures across the UK and beyond. Today we're heading into the wild beauty of Northumberland for a short hike up to Ros Castle, or at least that was the plan.
Well guys, great start to the walk. Literally just pulled into the car park, got a tyre pressure warning come up, and we've actually got a blowout. There you go. Put the inflation kit on and then I noticed the air was just completely billowing out the side there, so great stuff. I've had to ring tyre services and they're hopefully going to come and be able to repair it. So I've rang the tyre company, hopefully they're going to be able to have the same tyre in stock and come out with a mobile fitter and repair it. If not, we're going to have to be towed back to Stanley and recovered. Information here for you guys: explore Hepburn Wood. There's a fort here. What's that? Bethel's or Berthel's Stone. There's actually a Castle over there just as you come in. Fortified farmhouse. That's what we're known as Castles here in the Scottish borders. They keep the border reivers out. So there we are parked, I want to say parked, broken down in the car park there. So this is Hepburn Woods car park. There's a little public notice board and then you just follow this track. And I think just up here there's a fort or the ruins of an old fort. Come past this little forestry commission gate. We've already got views of the Cheviots. Thick in the cloud today. Glorious day today. Just look down there, you've got Hepburn Farm. So we're just a stone's throw really from Chillingham Castle. A video we did a few months back. And while I was there, for those that have watched it, you hear us mention that we wanted to climb up to Ros Castle at some point. And here we are today. I can't believe that. Literally just pulled in the car park. We had that blowout. But hey, imagine that had happened back on the motorway. Would have been proper dangerous, so we've been really, really lucky in that respect. Butterflies are dancing around here. It's a lovely wood. Foxgloves are out. So yeah, we're kind of stuck in limbo now. Don't know what to do. They've told us to wait up to 90 minutes and I'll be back in contact to see whether or not they can get a mobile tyre fitter to come out. And I think the walk only takes about an hour and a half, so do we go ahead and do it or what? Or do we wait? Buddy's built a camp here, look. Gorgeous woods these do. Yeah. You can have a look inside. It's a good camp, isn't it? You want to make sure it's not a Bigfoot camp, mate?
Oh Christ.
So we've just found here the Cist and Capstone Bronze Age grave. Used 2000 BC.
Dad, I learned about the Bronze Age.
You learned about this at school, did you? Well, we've been waiting 2 hours for an update. And the update is we're getting recovered. So we've got another 2 hours up until 1920 for them to come. So there's a viewpoint, I think, just up the top of Hepburn Woods here. We're going to have a little wander up to there. And then, yep, we'll be going home in a big yellow AA truck. You'll be excited though, won't you?
Yeah.
And the weather's changed as well. Wind's picking up. Black clouds above us. But apparently there's a little steep climb up to some crags up here, I think. We're not going to bother going to Ros Castle because the estimated time's 1920 for this recovery truck, but it could end up coming in like an hour, half an hour early, so. And it is a steep ascent, this one. Dirty steep ascent. Give a look back down at these two. It's steep.
Yeah.
Let's come up to a couple of crags now. You lead the way, Boo. We'll follow you. Scooby-Boo. Nice views now, though. The Cheviots still there. Amongst the rain clouds. Still amongst these crags now. I'm not sure if this is the actual viewpoint. I'm guessing it's further up there. So get some decent height now. Some more crags coming up. Some nice crags here, look. wee bonny heather. There we have it, up to the summit. Oh, that's Ros Castle over there, but I don't think we're going to have enough time to get to the peak of that before this AA driver comes and collects us. Oh, here we are now. Steady walk across the Ros Castle. I think we're probably going to have time to do it, in all fairness. It's not as far as what I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to hit this out. There's loads of deer in that field over there. It's better and better. Because we didn't know we were going to be doing like a walk because of the car situation. We didn't bring the dog leaders, so I had to improvise with courts. So we'll just come to the main road that comes past. There's my track up the Ros Castle there. A signpost there as well on the way. We've just come to the base of Ros Castle now. Wind's definitely picked up again. Look at that blue sky behind you. So it's about 6 minutes to the summit. 350 metres this one. So it's only 5 metres lower than Rosebery Topping. So AJ, that's a little ascent now. 3 minutes to the top. And it's been an eventful Saturday, to say the least. We'd also planned to explore Catering Hall, but with the car drama, we ran out of time. So we're dipping into the archives to share some footage from a few years back. Still one of my favourite hidden gems in the area. So final ascent. It's cool, isn't it? Come on in. Snap that summit. Tell us when you can see it. Aha! Ros Castle summit. There's the trig. What AJ calls a fairy door. Ros Castle camp. The height with its wide prospect was a favourite resort of Sir Edward Grey, afterwards Viscount Grey of Fullerdoon KG, Foreign Secretary, December to December. There you go. So this was actually presented to the National Trust as a memorial. Fantastic. There's like a little human point here as well. That's a trig, isn't it? What's it called? Topograph, that's it.
At the top you'll find a triangulation station and a toposcope built into the wall. On a clear day, legend says you can spot 7 castles from up there. And if you peek over the back wall of the toposcope, you might catch sight of the charming Hurlstone Tower falling a few kilometres away.
Now just following this wall down to the road. Views of the cheap, it's not all up.
Thing is like over like one of them shotguns, but the pharmacy is half of it. Or maybe like one of them swords.
Like a sawn off shotgun.
Like a wooden sword.
Come down this other way now. Pretty steep. So, we're at the base of the Ros Castle summit now. We found this gate.
There's a lock on the back.
There's a lock on it, is there?
Yeah, see that.
Oh yeah. Ah, never mind.
Yeah.
So we're back on the road now. Back up to the car park. Hopefully we'll not have to wait too long for that recovery truck. Stay away before, I think, just over here. There's still one or two there, look at. Quality.
They look at mine, show them mine.
I think they look quite jazzy, I'm not going to lie. Here we are now, off the main road, back in the car park. We're just going to wait now. Excuse now. Oh my god, looks like some of Pirates of the Caribbean, did it? Davy Jones. Part of Davy Jones's crew. It's actually Hepburn Castle here. thought it was a little Basel earlier, which is like a fortified farmhouse. So we're now just waiting on our recovery. A good Samaritan picking us up. There he is, our hero of the day. Here we are, on the back. Time to go. This is good. There it is. Here we are, back home, safe and sound. The dogs haven't got a clue what's going on. They've been in the boot the whole time. Stand back, AJ. Good lad. But we made it home in one piece, didn't we? Made it home in one piece, yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Even if this trip didn't go quite as planned, it's all part of the journey. Drop a comment below if you've ever had a hike hijacked by car trouble and let us know your favourite Northumberland spots.